Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Argentina, which is facing many challenges in selecting the right fighter for their fleet, is taking more twists and turns. We know that Argentine Air Force was very keen to select India's LCA Tejas for the requirement of 12 fighter jets, but looks like that is not going to happen due to United Kingdom's involvement in it. For those who are not aware of how the United Kingdom can stop the Tejas deal with Argentina, I will get into this news in a much more detailed manner. The United Kingdom has imposed the arms export restrictions of military exports to Argentina, and under those restrictions, it has been the United Kingdom government's policy not to grant an export license for any military goods to military end users in Argentina. To be more precise, none of the countries are allowed to export or sell their weapons or military goods to Argentina if any of the components used in those goods are manufactured by the United Kingdom or depend on the United Kingdom. And now one such problem is being faced by India as well. The British arms embargo has been on Argentina due to the 10-week undeclared Falklands War. The Falklands War was a 10-week undeclared war between Argentina and the United Kingdom in 1982 over two British dependent territories in South Atlantic. Now coming back to the Tejas news, in one of my previous videos, I have highlighted the usage of British components in Tejas fighter, and to be specific, the quartz nose cone, the air-to-air refueling probe, and the ejection seat used in Tejas variants are all made by British companies like Cobham and Martin Baker. Due to these three major British components and the denial of export license for components in LCA Tejas, it is very much impossible for the Argentine Air Force to go for the Tejas fighters. I am not sure how this is going to be taken forward by both the countries. Not only this, even the FA-50 fighter jets from South Korea were rejected due to 6 major British components used in those fighters. This chance is being used by China, and they are trying to push their Chinese fighters to Argentina, and the fighter which I am talking about here is the JF-17 Block 3 or FC-1 aircrafts. Even though JF-17 uses the PK-16LE ejection seats of Martin Baker, which are again manufactured in the United Kingdom, they are trying to replace them with the ejection seats made by the Chinese aerospace company. The seats which are going to replace the British Martin Baker ejection seats are HTY-5 or HTY-7A ejection seats made by the Chinese aerospace life support industries. These seats are already being used on Chengdu J-10 fighters. Before the United Kingdom's arms export issue was highlighted, Argentina pressured China to lower the price of the JF-17 and informed China that if the price is not reduced, they will be going for HAL Tejas. Argentina expressed that JF-17 is too expensive and asked China to reduce the price. Now, since Tejas is having problems due to the United Kingdom components, and China is ready to replace the British ejection seats in the JF-17 Block 3 with a similar Chinese variant, it is more likely Argentine might go for their fighters, but nothing is confirmed as of now. So let us wait and watch what other twists and turns the Argentine Air Force takes until they fix on exact country and the brand for their fighter aircraft requirements. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.